This is the first step to obtaining your law degree, and you're going to get a taste of what law school is all about.
We're extremely happy to be having these open houses.
You get to actually engage with a financial aid to learn what are my resources that are available financially. You get to talk with career services to understand what is my long-term goal, what is that job that I want at the end, what are the different clinics that I'm going to be able to engage in. You can actually talk to students that have gone through the clinics, that have gone through first-year classes.
My favorite part was the mock class.
Why is it not an easy case?
Just to see hands-on what the professors are like.
My job is to make you think about things you didn't think about, to push you.
Oh, it was really good, really good. Very impressed. Definitely makes me want to come here even more now.
One of the things I'm most proud of is that we're a family here at Berry Law, and I think students, when they come here on campus, they get that feeling as well.
You feel welcome here. Like, the environment is amazing. Like, you just feel like this is where you're supposed to be.
I found it very informative. I learned about the part-time program and all the opportunities and all the benefits that Berry has to offer their incoming students.
It's about you. You're coming to law school, you're making a very strong commitment, and we're committed to making that commitment towards you as well. And now it's your chance to come here and ask us the hard questions.
I'm so happy that I came because the professors are wonderful, the people here are wonderful. I just really, truly feel that they are really here to help you and help you to succeed, and it makes you want to come here because that's what it did for me. Just come and see for yourself.